If you're experiencing login failures on your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to the internet. Go to System Settings, select Internet, and test your connection to confirm it's working properly. Step 2. Verify login credentials. Double check your Nintendo account email and password. Make sure there are no typos and that you are using the correct credentials associated with your account. Step 3. Update system software. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, select System, and then Software Update to check for and install any available updates. Step 4. Restart your console. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve login issues. Hold down the power button for a few seconds, select Power Options, and then choose Restart. Step 5. Reset password. If you're still unable to log in, consider resetting your password. Go to the Nintendo account website, select Forgot Password, and follow the instructions to create a new password. If these steps do not resolve your login issue, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.